In the 28-day cycle of womanhood, the 11th day is very significant.
There are 11 brains or 11 membranes or 11 universes or trans-universes. The deepest trench that you find in the oceans of this world is 11 kilometers. There are many aspects because solar cycle is 12 years. What is beyond 12 belongs to Shiva. What is below 12 belongs to Devi. Oh, Shiva's got more numbers? No, that's not how it is. No, because there are some feminists. I want you to understand, this is ultimate feminism. This is ultimate feminism where a woman and all the processes of her body are worshipped, not seen as high and low. So why 11 is? Probably this is not yet well established in the modern sciences, but in the yogic science, the material dimensions of creation are in 11 dimensions. Everything that's material is 11. If it moves to the 12th dimension, it starts dissolving into becoming non-material or non-physical in nature. So what is beyond 12 is Shiva's realm. Shiva means that which is not. So beyond 12, it is no more physical, it is that which is not. What is below 12 is 11, so this is that which is. So Devi is consecrated in a way that everything that we do with her is 11. Like here if I say, "Where are you?" You'll say, "Here, Sadhguru." But your voice is coming out of here, all right, for me. You say, "Where are you?" I can't see. "Here, Sadhguru, here, Sadhguru." So, if you were trained in a military force or in aviation or in navigation, then you would say, "Sadhguru, I'm here." Where? 2 o'clock, Sadhguru, then I know you're here. The clock, this is 12, 1, 2. Devi's threshold is like this. What is that? Hello? 11. Any of you doing Devi sadhana? Anybody doing Devi sadhana? How many cycles? 11 cycles. She's 11 o'clock.
Devi temples, number 11 is always important because in the 28-day cycle of womanhood, the 11th day is very significant. If one does certain sadhana, not for the men, the women do certain sadhana, naturally their own physical cycle will get aligned with the cycle of the moon. Those of you who are onto the Devi sadhana. And then the 11th day becomes a day when the body shifts from one aspect to another. And the next 4 days can be very significant in terms of spiritual sadhana and experience. If this day is handled properly, particularly for women.
You see, even her Trishulam is at 11 o'clock. We are located at 11 degrees latitude. All these things have fallen well together. The way space and time is conceptualized in the form of material manifestation of creation, even in modern science, is moving towards… theoretical physics is moving towards clearly saying there are 11 brains or 11 membranes or 11 universes or trans-universes. Beyond that is non-physical dimensions. Still there is existence, but not particular in nature, not material in nature. The deepest trench that you find in the oceans of this world is 11 kilometers. Because the design of what happens in the creation is based on certain fundamentals. One thing manifests in one way, everything else is related to that. There is something called as a constructional theory that they have gone into these days, and they are clearly saying the design of an atom and the design of the cosmos are same. The fundamental design of an amoeba and that of a human being is the same. Only the complexity and sophistication has multiplied manyfold over, so it looks so different, but fundamentally it is the same thing. So because of this, in the material world, so many things hang around number 11, because that is the dimension we are representing as Devi. To find success and victory in the material world, if you transit from this, go into 12, we are only thinking of mukti, that is being liberated from the material world. I always feared when I consecrated 11 years ago, and that day itself I said, I have a fear in my heart that she will become more popular than him. It is happening already. As a part of regulating her popularity, we are doing a bit of a lockdown for the last few years for her, not just for the virus, even before. We are closing down the Devi temple for a period of time. This period may increase as she becomes more popular, because we don't want people to be more focused on material victory than ultimate victory in their lives. They need to come, temple is closed, so at least then they go and sit in dhyana. She has completed her 11-year cycle. If you did not know her phone number, it is 11.